War won't be, war 1 billion, war won't be, war won't be, war won't be, war 1 billion, war won't be. I'm not a Yahoo boy. Hey, I'm not a Yahoo boy. Yes, the reason why I see this song. Now, some people not gonna know the reason. What make me to see this song? They're not gonna know. Now there's only young youth when they get handwork, when they get anything to do, and then they do Yahoo boy. Now, government don't follow them to do Yahoo boy. Yahoo. Now, okay, let me explain to you why I put it this way. Some states where the coronavirus never enter. Now they claim say it don't enter their state because of the money where they involve. Everybody won't collect the money. Since what the year say coronavirus don't enter Nigeria. Since then only one person don't hear say don't die. Other than the thing they increase more. Now don't they get 111 cases in Nigeria. We don't catch the coronavirus. Now, okay, let me put it this way. Now, today we hear that Anambra State Governor don't they beg the federal government to raise 1 billion naira for them, making use of patrol coronavirus. Now tell me, now the people who say they tell them to stay at home, you know, talk about anything that they will eat. Okay, so that is very bad for our leaders. You see, don't the wise you people, their eye don't they open. They see what is going on for this country. Go and check other countries there. How many of them will catch coronavirus? Where they can't go another country? They never their country, they treat them. You see? So that is thing. So we need to change our hand, government. We need to change our hand. The money, see, I they blame the people who bring the money. Because if the people who bring the money, if you say they get sense, because I'll put them this way, if they get sense, then they're supposed to know our Nigerian government, how their mentality reach. That money not supposed to release them to government. Go to CBN and know how many number of people will get a BVN. If all the money to their account, not to give all those criminals, say to the share, they should give wetin. All the people will contribute money for this virus. The individual, they're not inside government too. But all the people waiting for government, no one bring 1 naira. But still their eyes still there for the money where they bring, which is very bad. Now, that's the bring. Some people bring 1 billion naira, some people bring 500 million naira, some people bring 10 million naira, 20 million. Now everything that they open all the government's eyes. Everybody that begin to claim that coronavirus don't enter their own state, this and that. Then discover many cases for their own state, this and that. Can you show us? Can you approve it? Let us see the video, not to show us audio. Play the video for us. We'll see it, not video, audio to us. So the people who bring that money, may not be careful, and the others who won't bring, may not be careful, because some governors, they are armed robbers. They won't focus for that money. Check the whole state. It's not a state to get. How many governors who don't bring money, saying use the support for this coronavirus? No one. The reason why that this they know what they are doing. So that's all. That's what I have. So that is the reason why they make all these comments. You see, for me, if the whole world go agree, let us do it in this way. all the whole president of the whole world, all them they come out, join together, putting in this way. Say from today go on, any leaders where they sick, you know, we're making them for a country, treat himself, no moving out in that country again. Then you will see that all those thieves waiting for this Nigeria, everyone will be in the prepare for their own state. Well, check now, no health center for anywhere. Anybody will catch coronavirus now for another state now, they will find a way to carry and go another state where get the equipment, which is not supposed to. Go to the other states now. You go see some way get some no even beat health center self keep. Some way be said that abandoned us for many years. Nothing they go on. You see?
Good.
So that is thing. So government now, you just they do what they like. Now this state now the order for this make them give am 1 billion naira. What you can do? So you know if you bring money for the state account, you buy equipment people are state to use to secure your people. They beg the federal government to give 1 billion naira to use to do waiting. The people that you keep at home, nothing for them to feed, to eat, nothing, no NEPA lights. So they will get money. We don't get money for Jane. We not already banned importer them. You know they bring anything about Jane to inside this country. The only thing now they cost, and I no give person light. Nothing like light. NEPA no they go on. Now they walk around now to collect money for NEPA bill. Well, right now, tell the people to stay at home that nothing is going on now. So therefore, it's very bad for this country. So I wish if this one go teach us lesson. If this one go teach us lesson, I was so happy to our government, let them know what people are passing through. Just